fucking connected. We've been coming here for 22 plus fucking years. Goddamn. And the thing that always connects people from the Midwest is that there's just something a little fucked up about people from the Midwest. God knows we relate, and God knows that's why you fucking relate to us. There's just a dark place that we just fucking love inside our hearts. You understand what I'm fucking saying? It's nothing too bad, but it's just bad enough that it makes us fucking go fucking crazy sometimes. So right now, I would like to take you someplace fucking dark with Slipknot. Would you like to go someplace dark with us?